session for today, and this is the last day for the training. And let's take a look at our one more design, okay, of the Power App. The Power Automate flow. This is where I told you earlier, okay, to be able to use the Power Automate mobile app to create a button flow. Now, a button flow, right, is considered what we call as an instant cloud flow. This is considered a manual flow. Now, this is going to be a very simple one, okay? Just to show you, right, how we can build a new flow directly on the mobile app, right? And then this is actually to trigger that focuses around any events that will happen on your Microsoft 365, all right? But like I said, the great part about the app is it's not just on reviewing or monitoring the flow, but able to also build a new flow. All right, so what I'm going to do here right now is, let me just launch my Power Mirror. I'm going to mirror my phone to the screen. All right, and hang on, my phone going to be shown here. And hang on, first I'm going to launch also I'm using this Power Mirror software, which is free lah, and the free one allow me to only mirror for 10 minutes. Right, so let me just mirror this. Okay, cool. So you guys can see my phone, huh? All right, so now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go into my Microsoft here, right? You can see that I've got Power Automate here. Okay, this one. So when I launch Power Automate, now even that icon is not updated. I don't know why. Power Apps and Power BI has been updated, but Power Automate is still using the old icon. All right. Okay, so here you can see that it says Get Started. So I'm going to click on Get Started, and you can see I will pick an account to use. My paimagine.onmicrosoft.com is here. So I'm going to launch that. And this allows me, right, to go in. I'm going to sign in to my password. Sorry. What is that? Okay, so once I sign in, okay. So they're going to ask you, please wait. So, okay, just click on continue and getting everything ready. All right. Okay, cool. So you can see here, get more out of your work day. So we can see all the templates are here. So what we need to do now, right, okay, is we just want to skip this template. Just on the top right-hand corner, you can see, top right-hand side, you can see skip. Press skip on the top right-hand side. Okay, so once you skip, this is the main interface of the Power Automate. Okay, so now what we need to do now, right, if you look at the menu system is right at the bottom. You can see activity, no activity yet. I can see browse. This is browsing the templates, and you can see flows. So no flows yet, right? An account, that's our account here. But in the center, you can see buttons. This is the fastest way you can build a button flow. Right, so right at the bottom, that center one, there are 5 menu items. The center one is buttons. So click on create a button flow. Tap on this. Okay, so you can see button flows, right? They got many templates also. All right, now what I intend to do now, right, okay, is to show you this. You see, there is a template for send myself a reminder in 10 minutes. Okay, then get today's weather forecast. Click a button to email a note, and quite a number of things. Now, I want to choose one particular template, right, which will allow me, as I tap the button, right, they will automatically block out my calendar for 1 hour, let's say. Let's try this one. I'll type here, right, to search for a template, I type the word block. Search for it. You can see the first one, block out my Office 365 calendar for 1 hour. I choose this one. There we go. Block out my Office 365 calendar for an hour. So at the bottom, I just say use this template. Okay. So you can see I'm trying to build. You look at that. This is actually the designer and directly in my phone. This is really cool. So you can see that it says here, manually trigger a flow. right? And then whereby they will create an event. So when I tap on the button, right, they will immediately create an event. Then I can choose my calendar ID here, right? So what I'm going to do here is I will choose the calendar. Wait for the loading. You got birthday calendar, United States holidays and calendar. You know that our main calendar is called calendar, the center one. Choose calendar, right? And then at the top right hand side, done. Always pay attention to the top right, bottom and all that, okay? So the calendar ID is calendar. And then this is a subject, calendar blocked. So now what I want to do, first of all, before I move on, I also look at the title here. Can you see the title? All right, the title here. I want to eliminate this and I want to rename the flow. Let's call it 1HR. That means 1 hour calendar. Calendar block. That's the name of my flow. All right. Then no need to tap anything. It's done already. Let's go back to our flow here. Subject, right? The subject is actually, calendar blocked, all those things, right? So once I've done this, right, let's say we just accept the subject. You can see start time, UTC now. End time is UTC now at hours 1. You can see everything is all done already. Start now, end time 1 hour from now. They use the function at hours. So nothing else. Okay, I think this is good. The subject also, I say calendar block from Microsoft Power Automate. You can change the subject, you know that, but it's okay. I'm just doing this here. Now, one more thing, very powerful I want to show you, right? Because you're on mobile. Now, I can also do a push notification, Send a push notification. Push notification is a notification that will pop up from the top of your phone. So I add a new step right now. Here, add a new step. Is it a condition or action? I want to add an action. And I'm going to search for a connector, right? So the connector, can you see there's the red color bell, the first one, notifications. I'm going to select notifications. And what action? There are 2. Both also are notifications, but read carefully. One is says send me a mobile notification. The other one is an email notification. Now I hate emails. I told you that already. I want to explore mobile notification, the first one. Okay. And you can see the mobile notification, right? I can put in a text, So the text, I just want to put there, let's say, you have blocked out an hour. Remember, you don't type grandmother stories that long because it's a push notification, So a short one will do. And you can provide links and all that. So let's just press done here. Okay, let me collapse this. So you can see this is a text. The link and link label, no need lah. All right, just a push notification with a text. That's it, just to confirm. And you know what? We are done. So trigger the flow, create an event on calendar, block it out 1 hour, and then send a mobile notification. That's it. On the top right hand side, create. And they're saving the flow now. Right after the flow save, can you see? Right, there's a button already. You can share the button with your colleague, or you can just manage your flow. So just click done first. Right, after done, right, let's check out. When you tap buttons at the bottom, you can see there's one big button here. Right, so this is the big button that is upon your power of God, the hands of God, the finger of God. Okay, you tap it, they are running the flow right now, and they will do the action. Okay, watch this. Just hang on. That started already. Can you see the notification at the top here? You have blocked out an item that at the top it appears. Okay, so we can tap out here, right? Is that here? No. Don't have. So it's okay, but then it's a actually black color item just now. It says you have blocked out an hour. Now watch this. Switching back to my calendar on my Outlook. Go to your waffle menu. Click on Outlook. Let's check our calendar. Has it blocked out an hour? Click calendar here. And let's check it out. Ooh, calendar blocked for an hour. Look at that. See? Click here. There. 4:20 p.m. to 5:20 p.m. 1 hour exactly. Powerful. Look at that. Okay? So make sure that you guys has, accomplished that.